Got a broken antenna here that I was able to back out because it was loose enough that I could just put the drill in reverse and back it out without having to get a bolt remover tool. So let me show you how that works. I first took a very, very small drill bit and drilled that little notch into the top of it there. And then as I was starting to put the drill in reverse, it started to back up slowly, and it's like, oh, awesome. So I got another slightly larger drill bit that was flat on the top. And this is a masonry drill bit, this little, almost like a flathead screwdriver on the top. And I stuck it into the little notch I had created there. And doing that, I was able to back out the, see, kind of slowly pushing on it, and I was able to back it out without having to use the bolt removal tool, so that was nice. Because this antenna broke off on this Toyota Sienna, so now I can get it with some needle nose pliers and take it out and get a new antenna. It's lucky I was able to back that broken antenna off out of there, and so I'm going to spray a little WD-40 in there, make sure it's dry, and buy a new antenna tomorrow so we can put that in and hopefully get better reception with our radio.